In the evening they'll have access.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. They can stop it anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I put cones there, so no one's going to come from that way.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get underway. Lucky.
Low pro.
Hey, you know the story.
Oh, mina ngiyagcwala, mina ngiyakuthanda, mina ngiyagcwala, ngiyagcwala. Uthando lwakho namandla, mina ngiyakuthanda, ubude bakho bento.
You guys know what you guys are doing. Is that Niaz?
I got my deep, searching your love in this deep plain sea. You play me now, no love for the sea. I got my I feel the love playing hide and seek. Yeah. Play me now. Yeah. Ubuhle bakho kufana nenkanyezi, bafika ubumnyama wena uletha ukhanya. Bonke abanomona basazoncama, bonke abathakathi basazokhala. Me and you, we came a long way. Angisabi bari mina, you can get it. I go a mile a minute. I'm on my grind, I don't sleep. I pray before I sleep. I keep an eye to these niggas.
Alright guys, so what we're doing now is we're cleaning out the sump. As I mentioned, the sediment settles in the bottom. We do this twice a year, purely just to clean out the sump because the pumps cannot cope with any type of solids. They're purely for water. So after time, it depends on the rainfall that we've had, all the fine dirt, sand, whatever debris is lying around makes its way into the sump and the pumps battle. So we take them out, we service them, and we clean it out. That's what we're busy doing now. You guys can have a look and see what it looks like, man. Sucking all that wonderful shit now. Just keep this here. Yeah. But I mean, how deep is that? I can get in there with the boots on and start taking it out, yeah?
I put a brick in there. We need fun. Put that pump on a brick. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it out.
Okay. Alright, you come out, these last will jump in. Justice, let's get inside there. We start bucketing that out. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we've made quite a mess, but in the same time we've cleaned up quite well. What we're doing now is we're going to head out to La Michelle, the same blockage I was attending last night. The drain is blocked again. Now I know what you guys are thinking. I know exactly what I'm doing. They have a problem with that line, and that complex is actually right next to Central Village, where we're replacing the sewer mains because the sewer mains is too small. So they have the same problem at La Michelle, but you guys stay locked, stay loaded. You guys are coming with. You guys are always coming with us. You guys know what it is. Flow Pro, let's get it. Get your spade or your fingers, whatever. It's heavy, it's heavy. Alex, help him. And he saw how I was battling, not that. Beggar. Using the worm. Yeah, my jetting machine. Okay, let me go and let's unblock it. Right. Get the camera inside. Right. If I need to get a bigger worm, we'll get a bigger worm. Because what I'm actually going to do is we're going to get the jetting machine in here as well. Okay. So let them unblock it, and then we can see what the obstruction is. Okay, I mean, I won't leave here before we've got the jetting machine in here and the bigger worm. Okay. The bigger worm's lying at the office. I just need to go and grab it. You see, the problem with the bigger worm is you can only use it on straight runs. It doesn't take bends, so I hardly carry it with. No, you thread it with your fingers first. You thread it with your fingers first. Don't just use the spanner because you end up stripping my stuff. This is a drain rod. So basically we assemble it in pieces of 2-meter pieces. So we assemble them using a threaded bolt, well actually a bolt that has a hole in it, and it threads to the socket, which is attached to a piece of spring steel that we run down the line that has a worm on the front, and it bores through the blockages. You guys will see now firsthand how plumbers make their bread and butter. This is the basics of plumbing. This is where it all starts. Unblocking drains, man. Unblocking shit drains. This is where it all starts, man. This is the beginning of it all. As a appy, this is where you start, man.
I'm on some other shit. I can chase a bitch. I'm tryna get rich. I need my money right now. I'm the sheet, cooling in the knees. I want him for weeks. I need the money right now. Better, mother Kasha, hey. It's good, it's nice, mother Kasha, hey.
There we go. That's what it looks like.
It's good, it's nice.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the camera, we're going to put the camera down the line so we can actually inspect internally what is going on with that drain, so we can come up with a solution as to not returning to site and unblocking a drain that's obviously clearly problematic. You guys. Right guys, so basically this is a piece of kit. It's got 40 meters of cable on it, and what it does is it gives us a clear indication of what's going on inside. It is a color picture. I'll show you guys now. We can record, it gives us distance, as well as we can edit live on it. Hence we've got the wireless keyboard attached. This is absolutely important in any drain inspection. You have to know what is going on, and obviously this piece of kit makes it that much easier. It's just a little bit of something that we try to service you guys better, man. Who are you talking to, the cockroaches? You sound mad in there, man. I was talking to the cockroaches. So basically what I'm attaching now is what they call a skid. So this skid, what this does is it keeps it elevated in the pipe so the camera doesn't run in the feces and in the water, and give us a clear indication of what is going on inside. Can we bring it? Hold on, I just want to record. So there's still some water in the drain, so we can't really see it that well now. It should clear. Otherwise we need to take the camera out and then wait till we find the clearing. Go a little bit more, it's getting jammed. Okay, go. No. We're going to remove the camera out, and we need to wait for the line to drain, because obviously there's still water in the line, so it's hazing up the camera. We're going to spool it back. We'll wait for that line to clear, Justice, because we can't see anything. Right, let's go back. Keep it coming, don't stop, keep it coming. Keep it coming, Alex. Keep it coming, thread it. Keep it coming, Alex. Yeah, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Still want to see something? Okay, keep it coming. Okay, let's go and wash it. You know what, just get a container with water. Get a bucket with water. Justice, I think what we're going to have to do is wait for the water to drain out, because we can't see anything. You want to come out? You're subbering for the cockroach. Yay! Jetty machine. Yeah, Freddy's got it. We're gonna have to get it back.